Alright, things I've always wondered. Wait, before we start this, my name is P Money. Welcome to my channel. Alright, I was corny. Anyway, so things I've always wondered. What a frozen tennis ball sounds like. So we're gonna put this tennis ball in the freezer, let it freeze for a while, and then we're gonna drop it and see what it sounds like. Will it sound like broken glass? Or what will it sound like? Will it sound like Goku's Super Saiyan scream? Right now it sounds like a bounce. So let's go freeze it up and see what it sounds like. So right here we're gonna put it in the freezer. Let it freeze for a while. Oh hey, didn't see you there. I'm sorry, that was corny. But anyways, it's been long enough for the tennis ball to freeze, like 6 hours or something. So let's go see what it sounds like when we drop it on the floor. Cold.
Aha!